If your Excel files have gone missing, whether it's due to accidental deletion, formatting, or software issue, don't panic. In the next 5 minutes, I'll walk you through 5 effective ways to recover your valuable Excel files, even if they're not in the recycle bin. Let's start with Windows built-in tools. Method 1. File History. File History is a free backup and recovery feature in Windows 10 and 11, and it's super easy to use. In the Windows search bar, type File History, then click Restore your files from File History. A window will open showing all your backed up folders and files. Navigate to the folder where your Excel files were stored. Use the arrow buttons to browse through different backup versions. Once you find the version you want, click the green Restore button to send it back to its original location. If you want to save it somewhere else, click the gear icon in the top right corner and choose Restore To. File History is off by default, so you need to turn it on before data loss happens. It mainly protects folders like documents, pictures, music, and videos. It's not a full system backup. You need to customize the folders it backs up in its settings. Method 2. Windows 7 Backup and Restore. This is a legacy tool from Windows 7, but it's still available in Windows 10. It lets you schedule automated backups for free. If you lose files unexpectedly, you can quickly restore the most recent backup. Open Settings and select File Backup. On the right, click Go to Backup and Restore. Under the Restore tab, click Select another backup to restore files from. In the pop-up window, you'll see a list of backup files if this feature was enabled before. Method 3. Restore the previous version of your missing Excel files. Open File Explorer and navigate to the folder where your Excel files used to be. Right-click in the folder and select Properties. Go to the Previous Versions tab. Browse the list by date modified and pick the version you need. Note that this feature also requires file history to have been turned on in advance. Method 4. Windows File Recovery. While it's free and works well for recovering recent files, Windows File Recovery isn't very beginner-friendly. It's a command line tool, so you'll need to spend some time getting familiar with the syntax before you can use it to recover files. Here's how to use it. First, download Windows File Recovery from the Microsoft Store. Then, search for it in the Start menu and open its command window. You'll see the basic command structure, which looks like this. In my example, the D drive is the source and the E drive is the destination. To recover my test Excel files from D to E using regular mode, I would enter WNFR space D colon space E colon space / regular. It's worth noting that regular mode only works with NTFS file systems. If your drive uses a different file system, you'll need to use extensive mode instead. When you get the first yes or no prompt, press Y to start the recovery. Once it's done, press Y again to open the folder where your recovered Excel files are saved. This free tool works well for recovering lost files, but it does have a bit of a learning curve for most people. If you're a beginner and prefer a straightforward way to recover lost Excel files, RecoveryFox AI is your best option. This AI-powered data recovery tool combines powerful recovery capabilities with a simple click and recover workflow. With just one click, you can scan and recover lost Excel files, as well as other file types like videos, audio, images, and zip archives. Before you start, download and install RecoveryFox AI from the official website, then launch the program. On the main interface, you'll see a list of all available drives. Select the drive where your Excel files were stored, and the tool will immediately begin scanning. Results are organized by file path and file type. If your files were lost recently and nothing new has been written to the drive, you can usually find them quickly in the Quick Scan folder with their original file names and folder structure intact. For files that have been missing for a while, switch to File Type, Documents, where all Excel files are grouped by format, such as XLS, XLSX, XLTX, XLSM, and XLSB. Click a file to preview it, then select the ones you want or the entire folder to recover. When choosing a save location, always select a different drive to avoid overwriting data. It's easy, fast, and highly effective. And that's it. 5 ways to recover deleted Excel files that aren't in the recycle bin on a PC. Choose the method that best fits your situation. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart data recovery tips from RecoveryFox AI. I'm Reco. See you in the next video.